Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to see your orders in the Bolt Food application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look down below and select their default option, which is orders. And here in this page you will be able to see all of your orders. In my case, I don't have any orders because I didn't really order anything yet from Bolt Food. I have used the normal Bolt application beforehand, but I never really used the Bolt Food version. But essentially, like I said, you will be able to see all your orders here, even if I don't have any here to show an example for. And pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.